Welcome back. My name is Dr. Zia. This is my lecture number 11B on team and group. That's what we were discussing in part A, lecture number 11. So, leadership and team building. What is team building? That's my first question. I would request you to pause my video and comment below what do you understand by team building. All right. There's a unique cohesion or connectivity between hard work and teamwork. If you go for hard work, people can do hard work, but most of the times it can happen to reach as a futile. The essence can be futile because maybe there is no cohesion, maybe there is no correlation or alignment. Somebody reaches somewhere else and somebody reaches somewhere else. So then hard work, both are doing hard work, but maybe they are not achieving the collective performance or collective goal. That can create problem. Okay, let me tell you that only hard work doesn't work. The results of teamwork may be like sometimes that goals are not achieved, the performance is not made. So even individual team player is maybe working very hard. So that can be a big problem. Like on a railway track, if somebody individually is working very hard to lay down to put the track on land on the land. On the other hand, if some other person is also doing the same, but if they're not aligned, the rail track will not be completed. So on the basis of the same metaphor, let me tell you that teams can achieve what individually may never be possible. That's important. Yes, you heard very correctly. Teams can achieve what individuals may never be possibly achieve. Teams can, you know, achieve more than individuals. Even if somebody is not able to perform very high, but if he or she is part of the team, he and she can contribute very little, but the whole team can perform much better. So on the basis of this, let me tell you let me ask you the second question. What are the building blocks of team building or team? What could be the basic foundation or building blocks of team? I would request you to pause my video and comment below. How do you think as a leader, what is the basic SOP or 101s or foundation for building a team? Pause my video and comment below, please. All right, welcome back. So let me tell you the building blocks of team building, or what I call team building pyramid. It's just triangle I can present in front of you. The basic and the most important fundamental or base for team building pyramid or team building blocks is trust. Remember, if you do not have trust, if the team members they don't have trust on you as a leader, or if they do not have trust on each other, then the team can never be built. The team can never be functioning. Even if you combine together, if you put the people together, they cannot work. So trust, remember, trust element is the most important thing. I've seen in many organizations, in many teams, they have their teams, but there is a trust deficit. After developing the trust, then you move towards the second step, that is called interdependence. Do not move towards dependence or do not go towards independence. Go for interdependence, interconnectivity, interrelationship. That is important. So they support each other. That's compliance. That is teamwork. Then the third step is respect. You may agree or disagree, but the third step is respect for each member in the team is important. And then fourth one is called cohesiveness. Means there must be having some cohesion in the skills, in the nature, in the culture, in the understanding. That is important. That's how a team works. And then the final point, the tip of this triangle is success. Means if you have the trust, if you go for interdependence, if you have the respect element, if you are cohesive as a team members, then the success is achieved. That is what I call I mean five building blocks of team success or team what I call the effective team building, effective team management. So trust, then you move towards interdependence, then you move towards respect, then you move towards cohesiveness, and ultimately success is your destination. That's important. Okay, let me tell you, do you want to know how to build a workplace team? This is my question again. Yes, most of the times you would say yes. So, how to build a workplace team? Let me share with you a formula, a team effective model. But team effective model would be shared in my lecture number 11, next part. So stay in tune. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the bell icon, subscribe to it, share with your friends. Thank you.